That might be the prettiest sunrise I've ever seen.
All right, watching the sunrise from Dragon's Tooth. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a little scary. That's the top where I climbed last night, but this morning just chilling on this rock. Safe. I was actually on that rock earlier this morning, which is pretty cool too. It's fun climbing up here. You can see how far down it goes. Alright, this was the campsite last night. I actually cowboy camped for the first time right there, which was pretty cool. But it's really buggy right now, so packed up really quick and get ahead back on the AT. Ow. Woo. Just did that 2.5 or something mile descent off of Dragon's Tooth on the road right now, walking to a grocery store where all I can think about is like drinks. So like cold Gatorade, cold soda, coffee, all the things. So that's what I'm craving right now.
Hey.
That's it. That's the gas station that we're really excited to go to. It's the little things. Well, if this isn't the most well-balanced breakfast.
Crazy.
Second course. They're coming towards us. Oh. There's cows in the middle of the trail. Oh, he's coming towards us. I don't like big animals. Shoo! Oh boy.
No. Okay, so when they like go that way, we'll go this way.
Alright, I guess we're just gonna walk past them. Won't you go? Come on, you can pass.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, yeah, cross the creek. Good job. You look like you want to come up to me. It is hot today. Today is a short day. I'm only hiking from Dragon's Tooth to McAfee Knob, which is about 12 miles, but this sun is taking a lot out of me. I am really thankful that I got to go to that gas station this morning because I was able to drink a lot of Gatorade, so that is helping. I also did a small resupply there, just a couple candy bars and snacks because I should be in Daleville, Virginia tomorrow night. So just enough stuff to get me through today and tomorrow. Feeling good. There is a road just up ahead that it's a short walk to a restaurant that I heard is really good. However, it is a Monday and they're closed on Mondays. So I'm gonna walk past and then probably hang out at a shelter just past that road and maybe do like an afternoon break because today is short and hot. I am in absolutely no rush to get anywhere at any certain time. It seems pretty surreal that this is the trail that leads up to McAfee Knob. This is such an iconic part of the Appalachian Trail, and the fact that I'm on my way is a really cool feeling. I haven't listened to music on trail in, I want to say like 3 or 4 weeks, but I got my earbuds in for this last mile. This wonderful lady named Sarah on Instagram reached out and asked when I was going to be here, and I told her, and she left a bag of goodies. Thank you so much, Sarah. This is amazing. Yes, such good hiker food right here. Chilling on McAfee Knob. That's the section we're gonna do tomorrow. It's Tinker Cliffs over there. We've been here for a couple hours. Now we're gonna go make some dinner. Having a little post-dinner hot chocolate now.
This is perfect though. You said that tripod?
The mouse just crawled out of my backpack. First mouse I've seen on trail so far, actually.